Hello, welcome back to DIY with El Sutra, and today we are making a DIY saffron face glow serum. Let's look at the ingredients we need to making this syrup. First have my mixing container here and my spoon, and our first ingredient is aloe vera gel. I have a 98% branded store aloe vera gel. So we already know from the previous video how important aloe vera gel to the skin. It is very moisturizing, it is toning, it protects the skin, it heals your skin from sunburn, it treats acne, stretch marks, regeneration of new skin cells, it fades wrinkles, all the beautiful benefits, So I also added my avocado oil, which is also essential for the skin, and it contains a lot of vitamins, it antioxidants. And I'm now adding my rose water. Rose water is also essential on the skin, so all the ingredients used on this project is very important for the skin, as rose water is a toner by itself. You can use either rose water or the witch hazel for this mixture, or if you have both you can use them. As I have both, I use them because they are also all essential, as rose water hydrates, moisturizes, it adds a rosy glow to the body, it has an anti-inflammatory properties, and witch hazel as well is a natural facial toner. It shrinks large pores, it fights acne, it soothes sunburn, it relieves itchy skin, it cleanses the skin as well. So you can either use one of them or both of them. So our another essential oil here is the turmeric essential oil, and I am just using 1 tablespoon of turmeric essential oil. As antifungal properties, it is anti-inflammatory, and it's also improves skin mood, it brightens the skin, and it improves uneven skin tone, and it gives you a glow. So here again I also added my most important ingredient of this mixture, which is the saffron oil. Saffron essential oil glides your skin like butter. It creates and remove excess heat from your body, it softens mild scars and blemishes, it enhances your complexion. As you can see, after adding the turmeric and the saffron essential oil into our mixture, it turns into yellow. So our serum is ready. All we needed is to add a little bit of vitamin E oil, so that as it is also important as a moisturization agent for the skin, and something that gives our skin glowy and also hydrate. It is also going to help in preserving our serum for a longer shelf life. So everything is ready right now. Our mixture is all the way, the consistency is perfect, because all you need on your face is a very light serum. You don't want anything too thick to clog your pores, especially during the summertime when the water is hot. So here I am. I have my container which is clean and sterilized, so I'm just going to be pouring my serum into the container, and then I will show you how I use it. After cleansing my face, after exfoliating, I go with this first, and then I go with my night cream as well. So this moisturizer is a go. It will give your skin a glow. Immediately after applying it, you will begin to see a difference on your skin tone. It's not going to bleach your skin, it's not going to make you look white. This is very essential for glowing and also for moisturization. I hope you like this little DIY of my face serum, what I use, and I hope you will also try to make it as well, and come back to my channel and leave me a comment of what you think about it. If you have any further question, please do not hesitate to leave it under the comment section, as I will be responding to all my questions and all my comments. Even if you don't have a question, you can leave a comment. I will be responding back to that because I love reading your comments. Also, I will be sharing under the description the link to my face night cream DIY that I did earlier. If you haven't seen that, so that you also get to watch that DIY. It's also very simple ingredients. And then also my face powder, my face body glow powder that I made with different kind of ingredients from your kitchen, like carrots, like orange peels, like rice powder, and a lot of good ingredients just to exfoliate your skin and get rid of the dead skin, and also improve your skin texture. So this is the final result. I hope you like what you see. This is very simple and easy to make. Anybody can make this as long as you have the ingredients. Let's see how I am going to take care of my face before applying my cream. As you can see, I am just going to scrub my face now. I am applying the powder which I told you I made earlier. So I made it into a paste, and now I'm waiting for it to semi-dry. I am exfoliating my skin so to take care of the dead skin, and also to just exfoliate and give your skin a good massage. So after that, then you can go on with your moisturizers and you are ready to go to bed. So here is our syrup that we just made. I am applying to my face right now. So just look at the skin before and after applying the serum. You will actually see the difference on how the skin is going to glow immediately. So give it a time, give it a time applying it on your face every night, and then you will see difference in your skin texture, and your glow will improve as well. And here is the first DIY before this serum. This is I call it eye ointment or a night cream. So you can also you'll see this under the description, so you'll be able to make as well. It is also very moisturizing. It helps my skin so much. It gives me that moisture that you're looking for at night. You don't want your face to be dry, and when you wake up, you look at the mirror and you see your face like you are ready to go out, without even washing your face. That is exactly what we need after applying a moisturizer and waking up to it. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have watched all the way to here, please click the subscribe button and give it a like.